Now we'll take a look at the Comparison Over Time page. This page looks very similar to the comparison page on the aggregate dashboard, with the side-by-side comparisons and the copies of charts, except for the comparisons on this page show comparisons over time. So the chart on one side is filtered to the most recent fiscal year, calendar year right here. It's filtered to fiscal year 18, which for the Museum of Science is a July to June fiscal year. And the chart on the left is filtered to the previous fiscal year, so you can look at a change from 1 year ago and a change to the most recent year. So this right now is reflecting Cove's aggregate data, not Museum of Science data, but you can see that the overall Cove's Net Promoter Score seems to have gone up just a little bit from FY17 to FY18. And each chart is labeled in the title with whatever time comparison it represents. And as we go forward in time and the comparisons change, for example, next year this will say fiscal year 18 on the left side and fiscal year 19 on the right side, we'll just change the titles to make sure they reflect the data that are actually in the chart. You may also notice that there are some charts that are not on this page that maybe are on your own institutional page or are back on the aggregate dashboard. This is simply because some questions were not added to the Cove survey until later, so there would be no data in them for fiscal year 17 or fiscal year 18, depending on what the question was. But as time goes forward, we'll add those charts as they become available.